What is up everyone, Jflores here, and for today's episode, I'm gonna teach you how to make some homemade siomai with Kum Kee chili oil. What was... So before we start, if cooking is your thing, if you want to learn how to cook, please hit that subscribe button right now and ring that bell might as well. And for this recipe, first, Kum Kee, thank you for sending me your products. I will have fun with this. I will enjoy and expect a lot of cooking tutorials that I will be using Kum Kee. No more long intros and whatnot. Let's just get right into cooking. That's what you came here for. Let's do this game. Start by adding the garlic, onions, and ginger to your ground pork. Next, season with sugar, Kum Kee premium soy sauce, Kum Kee oyster sauce, and sesame oil. Now crack in 1 egg, then mix very well. Time to assemble our siomai. Get your wrappers ready and fill it up. Spoon some filling into the wrapper, then tuck it in. Also fold the sides when doing this. Ang hirap i-explain guys, sundin nyo na lang yung ginagawa ko. Once the wrapper is filled, transfer to a plate covered with foil or wax paper so your siomai won't stick to the plate. Just continue doing this until you run out of filling, then let's steam these siomai. Let's just steam these for about 10 to 12 minutes, then we are done. And voila, homemade siomai with Kum Kee chili oil done. So that is it for today's episode, everyone. I hope you had fun. I hope you're gonna try it at home. And if you like it, please do comment down below your requests kung anong gusto nyong lulutuin ko the next time around. Follow me on Instagram, like my Facebook page. Give this video a thumbs up if you'd liked it. If not, give it a dislike. I don't mind. That is it for today. God bless. Stay safe. Peace.